One of the most challenging items in an English exam can be completing a sentence by filling in the correct verb. Hi, this is Hannah from Tutor, and here are 3 secret tricks to help you pick the correct answer in a sentence completion item. Trick number 1. Group the choices according to tense. In this example test item, we will group the present tenses, is and are, and past tenses, was and were. After grouping the choices, proceed with trick number 2. Identify the tense of the sentence by looking for clues. Here, the word yesterday gives us a clue that the answer should be in the past tense. So, we will now cross out choices that are in the present tense. Lastly, do this trick number 3. Eliminate prepositional phrases to find the real subject. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun, like at school, in the beginning, down the old street. Now going back to our test item, let's eliminate the prepositional phrases. And these are in the hallway and at my father's building. As you can see, we are left with one noun, workers, which is the real subject. And since workers is plural, the verb should also be plural. So the correct answer is letter D, were. Yesterday, the workers in the hallway at my father's building were noisy. But aside from prepositional phrases, there are also other words in the sentence that might hinder you from finding the real subject and picking the correct verb. These are the appositives. Find out in this video here about appositives.